You are busy, well paid, and financially uncertain, just like many professionals. You can earn 500,000 shillings, even a million shillings a month, or you take your family on expensive foreign holidays, drive a premium car, belong to the right clubs, and still be completely broke in terms of wealth. Not broke in lifestyle, but broke in long term financial security. And here is what you'll discover in this video. You'll understand why your income is not the problem, why your comfort is actually working against you, why most high earning professionals delay financial freedom without realizing it, and most importantly, what you must start doing differently now. Hi, my name is Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I have worked with professionals across Kenya from organizations such as Safaricom, Citibank, Unilever, BAT, Bamburism, and so many others. But more importantly, I've worked closely with individuals, people just like you, high earners, busy careers, smart people. Many of them are now financially secure, owning multiple rental properties, and have income that does not depend on their salary. But before they got there, they were stuck on the same trap I'm about to show you. Let's talk about the lies, because this is where the problem starts. Myth number 1. If I earn more, I'll eventually be fine. This is what most professionals believe because it feels logical. More income should mean more progress. But here is the truth. Income does not automatically become wealth. If anything, higher income often leads to higher expenses, better houses, better cars, better schools, better holidays, and suddenly your lifestyle expands faster than your assets. And the hidden cost? You become financially sophisticated, but structurally stuck. Myth number 2. I'll start investing seriously later. You tell yourself, let me first stabilize things. Let me enjoy my earnings. I'll get serious in a few years. It sounds reasonable, but here's the danger. Delay compounds just like money does. Every year you wait, you push financial independence further away. Myth number 3. I just need the right investment opportunity. So you start chasing a business idea, a farming project, a government tender, a hot deal somebody told you about. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Most of these are not systems, they are gambles. They require time, skills, and constant involvement. And for a busy professional, they often lead to stress, losses, or distraction. Myth number 4. I'm doing okay, I'll figure it out. This is the most dangerous one because comfort hides inefficiency. You're not in crisis, so you don't feel urgency. But behind the scenes, no clear structure, no predictable asset growth, no dependable passive income, and time keeps moving. Here is the truth that changes everything. Wealth is not built by income. Wealth is built by systems. Let me repeat that. Wealth is not built by income. It is built by systems. A system that converts income into assets. A system that produces cash flow. A system that works even when you're not working. Without that system, you're just earning more, not building more. And in today's Kenya, with rising costs, uncertain jobs, and long retirement horizons, this is not optional. It is necessary. Let me tell you about someone I worked with. I'll call him Tim. Tim was a senior manager in a multinational company. He had a good salary, had a nice house, kids, went to private schools, and from the outside, he looked successful. But financially, he had no investments. He had no passive income. Everything depended on his job. Then something happened. he lost that job. Within months, his cars were repossessed. His family had to move houses. Children changed schools. For nearly 3 years, the family struggled. That was his turning point. When he finally got back into employment, something had changed. He stopped chasing lifestyle. He started building a system, step by step. And 7 years later, he now owns a multi-unit rental property. He has built multiple income streams, and his financial life no longer depends on a salary. He earns less income than before, but he is far more stable and he has far more peace of mind. Let me simplify this for you. If you want to move from income to wealth, you must understand this. Step number 1, stop confusing assets and expenses. An expense takes money away from you. An asset puts money into your pocket. A car is an expense. A holiday, expense. A rental property, an asset. Ignore this and you stay busy earning. Apply this and you start building. Step number 2, focus on cash flowing assets. Not just assets, but cash flowing assets. Things that generate income regularly. In Kenya, one of the most effective ways for professionals is multi-unit rental real estate. Why? Because of predictability of the rental income, ability to finance, scalability, tax benefits, and long-term appreciation. Step number 3, build structure around your money. This means intentional allocation, automated savings, clear investment plan, not guesswork, not reacting. Step number 4, use leverage wisely. Most professionals fear debt, but strategic debt tied to income-generating assets builds wealth faster. That's how many investors acquire property. Step number 5, think long-term. Wealth is not built in one deal. It's built over time, consistently, with discipline. I know now what you might be thinking. I don't have enough money. It's not about having millions. It's about having a plan. Many successful investors started with limited capital, but a strong strategy. You might be thinking also that it's too risky. What is risk? It's lack of knowledge, lack of structure. With the right system, risk is reduced significantly. I don't know where to start exactly, and that's the real issue. Not money, not opportunity, but lack of clarity and guidance. Here's what you can start doing this month. Step number 1, know your numbers. List your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, because clarity is power. Step number 2, define your goals. What do you want? Do you want prestige or do you want financial freedom? What does that really mean in practical terms? Step number 3, start allocating for investment. Even if small, consistency matters more than size. Step number 4, learn the right metrics. Understand cash flow, return on investment, financing structures. This helps you spot real opportunities. Step number 5, get into a proven system. Stop guessing. Stop experimenting blindly. Follow a structured path. This is exactly what I help professionals do inside my financial freedom coaching program. We don't just talk theory, we build a clear structure, a personalized asset strategy, a step-by-step implementation plan, because without structure, even high income will not save you. If you are serious about changing your financial direction, then the next step is simple. Book a free one-on-one strategy session with me. In that session, you will get a clear picture of where you really stand. You also get a personalized roadmap to convert your income into assets and a practical action plan you can start implementing immediately. The link to book for this session is in the description below. Before you go, I want to ask you something. Do you currently have a clear written financial plan? And do you know exactly where you'll be in the next 5 to 10 years? Let me know in the comments. And if this video challenged your thinking, please like it and share it with somebody who needs it, and subscribe for more. Because my mission is simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from earning well to building real wealth. I'll see you in the next video.